Fear isn't necessarily a negative emotion. For example, most people have at least some fear of heights. Consider the consequences of falling from a great height. Actually, a functional fear of heights is built directly into the human visual system. Dennis Profit and his colleagues have documented a fascinating depth perception illusion that they discovered while standing on a balcony in the psychology building at the University of Virginia. This particular balcony is about 20 feet above the ground and extends for much of the length of the building. In the experiment, Person A stood on the ground below the balcony. Person B stood on the balcony directly above Person A. Person C stood on the balcony off to the right side of Person B. The job of Person B was to ask Person C to move gradually farther away until the distance between Person B and Person C matched the distance between Person B and Person A on the ground. When Person B felt that the vertical distance matched the horizontal distance, the experimenters measured the two distances and compared them. Virtually every participant dramatically overestimated the distance to the ground. When the experimenters repeated the process from the ground looking up, however, the effect went away. When you look down from a height, your visual system seems to know that vertical distances require great caution. Whatever the distance actually is, your automatic, unconscious visual system takes that value and multiplies it before passing the information on to your conscious perceptual system.